subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The LG has announced 3 new smartphones under K series called LG K61, LG K51s and LG K41s. And among these 3 phones, the LG K61 is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the LG K61 supports a 6.5-inch full vision display with Full HD Plus resolution and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is listed to come powered by unnamed octa-core 2.3 GHz processor paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage. There is also a micro SD card slot that supports storage expansion up to 2 TB. In terms of camera, the LG K61 features horizontally aligned quad camera setup on the rear, including LED flash. The quad rear camera setup includes 48 megapixel main camera plus 8 megapixel super wide angle camera plus 2 megapixel macro camera and 5 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, the company has added 16 megapixel camera under the punch hole at the front. The handset comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery that charges through USB Type-C port. Additionally, the smartphone also features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and a dedicated Google Assistant button. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and it supports DTS X 3D surrounded sound system. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 77.5 by 8.4 mm and it is a military standard 8NG compliant. Talking about the pricing and availability details. At present, LG has not revealed the pricing details, but the company said that the phone will be available sometime in second quarter of this year and it is listed to come in titanium, white and blue color options. So, as of now, that's all we know about the LG K61 smartphone and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.